Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete app download history on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open the App Store and make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on Apps. You will now see two sections, all which shows every app you've ever downloaded with your Apple ID. Not on this iPhone, which only shows apps that are no longer installed. To hide an app from your download history, make sure you're in the All section. Swipe left on the app you want to hide and tap Hide. Keep in mind, Apple does not allow you to permanently delete apps from your App Store history. Hiding them is the best option available. The app will no longer show up in your purchase list or in family sharing, but it's still linked to your Apple ID and you can re-download it anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to delete or rather hide app download history on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.